Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover nature topics. This YouTube channel is not monetized, which means we do not get any income from YouTube. Help us create more and even better content that will help you to pass. Consider supporting me by making a donation to my Capitec account. Any amount is welcome, and the other options are Snapscan, PayPal, Patreon, or buy me a coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is second moment of area about two curves. The question is included in the video, the beginning and end screens. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks, even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in mathematics. It takes persistence, discipline, and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Now, our two equations go y is equal to x plus 8 and y is equal to minus 12 over x. Now, what we have here is we are going to look for, what we're going to look for next is our point of intersection. So we can easily do that. So we can say, now y is x plus 8 equals minus 12 over x. So this works to our advantage because we multiply by x on each side. So x times this whole thing. So that goes x there and x there. So x times x is x squared, x times 8 plus 8x equals minus 12. Now, all we do is bring the 12 over. X squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. Now, next step is we factorize x plus 6 and x plus 2. So, what we're going to have, x equals minus 6 and x equals minus 2. That's how this will work. Now, the next step is we put these into any one of these two equations. So, minus 6 plus 8, so our borders are minus 6 and 2, and our border is our points of intersection are minus 2 and 6. Those are our points of intersection. Now, what we're going to do is make everything equal to y. So, it's going to be, now we're not going to take the x coordinates, we're going to take the y coordinates, because this is taken about the y-axis. Sorry, this is taken about the x-axis, but we use the y coordinates. So, y is going to be x equals y minus 8, and x is going to be minus 12 over y. Simple to do. Now, next step is we have to say y squared times x2 minus x1. Okay, so now, and it's an integral. So, first thing we do is we say the integral of 6 and 2 y squared is minus 12 over y minus x plus 8. Minus y plus 8, sorry. Minus y plus 8. So, what we're going to do next is multiply y squared in. Y squared divided by y is just y. So the integral of 6 and 2 times minus 12y minus y cubed, because y times y squared is y cubed, plus 8y squared. And now we simply integrate. So let's integrate. Take that away, take that away. Now we simply integrate. So, minus 12, put it in a box, minus 12 y squared over 2 minus y4 over 4 plus 8 over 3 y cubed. 6 and 2. Now what we're going to do is take this and put our values into here. Minus 12 over 2 is minus 6 times 6 squared minus 6 over 4 to the power 4 plus 8 over 3 times 6 to the power 3 minus, in a bracket, minus 6 times 2 squared minus 2 to the power 4 over 4 plus 8 over 3 times 2 to the cube. Right. And our answer for that, all this will equal 42,667 units to the power 4. Now we're not finished. That is just the first steps. Okay. Now that answer we need to keep. 42,667. Now the next step is keeping our y. Now all we need to do is dA. We need dA. So we need area. Area is simply the integral of 6 and 2 minus 12y minus y plus 8. And we're just plain old integrating. So, right, 1 over y is, this will equal the root of minus 12 ln y minus y squared over 2 plus 8x. And that's 6 and that's 2. Next step is we put in our values. Minus 12 ln 6 minus 6 squared over 2 plus 8 times 6 minus 12 ln times 2 minus 2 squared over 2 plus 8 times 2. And that is our sum. Let me make this 12 a little neater. Now you can read that a little better. Alright, and this answer, 2,817 units squared. Now, 2,817. Now, what we need to do is the final step. The final step in the road. Is we divide both numbers. So, this is the symbol for what we're doing. This is second moment of area. So, we're going to say 42,667 all over 2,817 equals. And that's 15,146 units to the power 4. Times A. And that is our answer. Times A. So this is our final answer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Positive feedback is most welcome. If you'd like to help us make more videos like this, consider supporting me via a donation to my Capitec account, Snapscan, PayPal, Patreon, or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.